So the next question is competition pricing being higher or lower than mine. So I tell all my customers the exact same thing, and usually I'll tell them this when I'm in their home doing the estimate. That way it's me being transparent face to face with my customers. I am not always the cheapest contractor in our area, and I do not pride myself on being the cheapest contractor. I do not want to be the cheapest contractor. What I can tell you is that if I'm gonna do your floor, you're gonna see me on the job, okay? And I also know that from a standpoint of being competitive, that my labor cost might be a little bit higher than somebody that you may find on Facebook Marketplace to come and lay tile. But if for whatever reason I'm neck and neck with another contractor in the area, and maybe you like me more, and if you do, I love that, that's great. But if I'm a little bit higher, let's say I'm $500 or $1,000 higher on the overall job, then what I tell my customers is, hey, do me a favor, send me their estimate. Yeah, and this is after I've already sent my estimate. So they've got both estimates. It's not like I'm asking them to send me that estimate first and then, oh, I'll just beat this by $500. That's not how I work, right? But I'll tell them, hey, send me their estimate and I'll look at it. And if it's apples to apples, then let me see what I can do as far as matching it. Now, if I can match it, great. If I can't, then I'm just gonna be honest with you and I'm gonna tell you that I can't match it. And I'll even tell you why, hey, I can't match this because I can't get my labor costs down that low. And at that point, I'm actually losing money, right? So who knows? But what I would say is that I want to earn your business. And because I wanna earn your business, I am willing to look at maybe what another contractor is offering, and it may not be apples to apples. They may not be offering the same thing. They may have not included the shower diverter and trim kit and installation, which could be $500 difference on our estimates, and maybe that's what they're talking about, right? However, if I can match it and it is apples to apples, then I will do my best, and if I can't, I'll just be transparent and say I can't. Not a big deal. This is business, and then what's priority for me is that I want to make sure that I'm transparent and taking care of my customers.